All right, so today I want to show you how to make fluffy scrambled eggs. And to make fluffy scrambled eggs is actually pretty simple. Today I'll be using a total of 3 eggs. And what you want to start by doing is crack the 3 eggs, or if you want to use 2 or 4 or 5, crack the 3 eggs into a bowl. There's 1, 2, and 3. Now, here's the most important thing. The thing that actually makes it fluffy is water. So for each egg that you crack in and want to turn into scrambled fluffy eggs, you want to add 1 tablespoon of water. So in this case, we have 3 eggs. I want to add 3 tablespoons of water. I don't like to use tap water. I use bottled water. So 1, 2, 3. Again, for each egg, you want to add 1 tablespoon of water. I like to add some salt and pepper. A little bit of garlic powder. And then you can take a whisk and just mix it up until it's all mixed together. And there you go. It should look something like this. Nice and yellow. And now we move on to actually cooking it. So we need a frying pan like this. We add a little bit of butter. Add some butter. Or you could use oil, olive oil. I like to use butter. So about a tablespoon for 3 eggs. Turn on the heat and let it melt. You can move it around a bit as it's melting to get the butter across the whole pan. Okay, so my butter has melted, as you can see. Now I want to lower the heat a bit on the stove. I want to add my mixture of eggs. And very quickly, I want to take one of these and constantly move it around. Don't let it sit. Keep moving it around. See that? Keep moving. Keep moving. This is what's going to make it fluffy. Fluffy eggs. Fluffy scrambled eggs. Keep moving. Eggs in motion, stay in motion. Keep moving. And we are all done. That's it. Just takes a few minutes. Let's add it to a plate. And there you have it. Beautiful, fluffy eggs in just a few minutes. Beautiful, fluffy eggs